Hey y'all, what's up? Here another edition of R2 Outdoors. Today I'm going to be putting my DIY stakeout pole together. I got some cheap stuff from eBay and some stuff from the hardware store, and just going to kind of show you the way I'm doing it. It was really hard to find any piece of PVC tree stake or whatever. I looked everywhere on Amazon, everywhere on eBay, the A.W. Leonard or whatever it is, to get a $10 tree stake. It was going to cost me $100 and something in shipping because it was 8 feet long. So I found this stake. It's not even a stake. It's actually, I think it's an antenna of some kind I found on eBay for 12 bucks. So kind of show you what I'm gonna use to put this thing together. Then gonna start the video. All right, let's do this. All right, so I have got my sander. 2 pieces of 3/4 inch CPVC I got from where'd I get it? Lowe's. Got it from Lowe's for I think they're like $2 a piece. And then this is the guy right here. This is the fiberglass rod. It's a finished fiberglass rod, and one end they're a 1/2 inch at each end and 3/4 of an inch in the middle. It's kind of like a big frickin' javelin or something. Anyways, it's the finished piece of fiberglass, so I don't have to worry about it splintering off of my hand and stuff when I'm holding it or using it or working on it. There's my T-handle. I got my hacksaw, some flex glue, and some JB Weld epoxy. And I'm using some sandpaper on my sander to sand down the PVC, make it look a little nicer. I'm gonna kind of take the piece of PVC, fill it up with the flex glue, and jam it on top of this thing, and then put the T-handle on top and see what happens. I think if I fill the tube up, this PVC up enough of the flex glue, slam it on there, use the epoxy for the handle, we should be golden. But I'll let you guys know how it works. We'll give it a try and see what happens, man. I don't feel like paying 95 bucks or 100 and something bucks for some name brand piece of whatever. So this was the best I could find, now that everybody knows that those 3/4 inch pieces of fiberglass rod people are using for stakeout poles, like 40 to 50 bucks a piece if you want an 8-foot long piece. So you can get shorter pieces that are less expensive, but if you want an 8-footer, you're gonna pay, with shipping, you're gonna pay probably around 100 bucks anyways. So all right, I'm gonna get started with the build. All right, so I think the first thing I'm gonna do is do a little sanding action with the PVC, maybe make it a little bit flush and kind of nice looking, kind of match up the rod a little bit better. I measured this in the store just to make sure that it was gonna work, and I think it's gonna work. We'll try and we'll find out, I guess. Do this. Yeah. Now I'm just kind of spinning it, rolling it a little bit as I sand, and you can already see like the end is starting to taper down kind of nice. I don't want to get too thin in some of those spots, but hell yeah, guess it's working all right. I guess we should keep going. See how it looks on the pipe. Hey, not too shabby. Got a little bit of the pipe end sticking through, which is what I wanted. Put that on there. Yeah. Yeah. And not too bad. Now comes the next fun part. Filling this beast up with some glue. All right. Yeah. Never used a flex glue before, but I guess we're gonna see what happens. Ooh, damn, this stuff is thick. Jesus. Holy freaking crap. This junk is legit. Good God. All right. Flex glue is like trying to freaking squeeze in tar or something, man. This crap is freaking thick. Holy Jesus. Half the tube-ish in there. All right, just trying to push the gun out. Oh God, look, something's coming out the end. I'm gonna do that anyways, but all right, whatever. Jam it in there. Jam this in there, see if we can't squeeze it out the ends. Whoa, that was sweet. Nice. The old flex glue coming out both ends of the handle. What I'm talking about. Jesus, that stuff is sticky. So she said. All right. Got my old flex glue leaking all over my stand there. I'll use the cap off of this old silicone bottle, put it on there. Hopefully it'll keep it from exploding everywhere. All right. Now, to put my PVC parts into the end, hell, I don't even know if I'm going to use any of that JB Weld. Let's measure it. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, delightful. All right. Perfect. All right, awesome. See how close they are. Oh, sweet. Right at the same size. Like it. All right. Time to get messy. Jam that in that side. Jam this in this side. Oh yeah. Sweet T-handle. All right. All right, well. So I'm gonna use my sandpaper that I was gonna use to mix up my epoxy, just to wipe this mess off, kind of wipe around the edges. Yeah. Sweet. All right. Kind of even it out there. Nice, I like it. There. And there. And that glue is filled up in that thing. Sweet. Well, this thing's on there. It's got a tapered end on it already, so that didn't take long. All right. Well, that's about it. This is a 3/4 inch in the middle, 1/2 inch on each end rod that I got off of eBay for 12 bucks. $2 and something cent piece of CPVC, 90 something cent T-handle, another piece of the CPVC for 2 bucks. So for less than 20 bucks. Oh crap, I forgot the glue. Well, 20 something dollars. The glue was like 13 something. Yeah, might as well call it 35 bucks for everything. And this thing, I can tell you, man, that glue is freaking legit. I'm gonna have to go wash my hands with acetone or something. But yeah, we're gonna glue it up and I'll let you know how it works. All right, man. Well, R2 out.